Morning guys, we've got Mr. Romain Leveskin from Cyvex today and we've got lots going on today. We've got Joe's R35 going on first on the dyno, install the Cyvex ECU and a 4-wheel drive controller. So we're going to go and check that out and Chris will tell you a little bit about it. Haggy, how's it going? Haggy's there, working hard. I've just caught him, he is having a yogurt at the minute, so yeah, all good. What else is going on? Warren's car's going on as well. We've got a 32 GTR going on. So basically the next sort of few hours we'll just basically vlog about dyno cars and that's it. So yeah, the fender's on. We've got Joe's garage GTR on the dyno. Got to show the flames, some fans, everything will ask for. Let's see. That R32 is into a map week with Romain on R32. Very nice car, very much good. Not to put that body further, I'm trying to get it on the camera. I've managed to collar Romain for 2 minutes, not even that, 30 seconds shot on the camera. Hello Romain. Hello. So just telling the viewers about this R32 on A50 Power FC.
Yes, A50 Power FC, ODCU now.
Yeah.
So not the greatest, not much safety. I think the fuel pressure is dropping on that car.
Yeah.
We saw that car probably 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah, 2018 I think according to the dyno graph on
the before your time.
Yeah.
The car's been run for about 18 months.
Yeah.
We don't have a fuel pressure sensor, so might need to install one to see, but the customer wasn't chasing power, just wanted to make sure they were safe. So yeah, it changed the turbo for upgraded ones compared to last time, so they actually spooled a bit earlier, but running out of fuel fairly quickly after 400 of the wheels. So we'll see what the customer wants to do.
Yep.
I would recommend to change the ECU for something like a Link, Haltech or even Cyvex, but they're still on stock twins. I want to get rid of the map just based on TPS and map sensor and have a bit of safety stuff. Yeah, it's a good car. They're increasing in value, so you want to make sure that you keep your investment safe.
Exactly, that's the investment.
Yeah.
Thank you, Romain. I'll get this one strapped and we'll get the next car on.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Cheers. Right guys, that's all the content we've got for today. It's a little bit after 8:30 at night. Romain and Jürgen are actually still here. They're on the dyno sorting out an issue with the car. So there's some bit of a software problem. Romain is back tomorrow, so again another busy day. Lots of cars to get on with, so stay tuned. We'll film as much as we can. These mapping days are incredibly busy and often don't go exactly to plan, so it's difficult to kind of grab the camera and film along the way as well when you're trying to get things sorted and get things changed about. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what tomorrow brings, and I'll see you then. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.